Have you ever wondered why Samsung still sells more Galaxy Z Fold phones every year, even though more and more companies are jumping into the foldable market? Back in 2019, Samsung introduced the Galaxy Fold, the world's first mass-market book-style foldable phone, and since then it has built a strong lead in this segment. For years, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series was almost the only choice for anyone who wanted a high-end foldable phone, which helped the brand dominate global sales. According to Counterpoint Research, in 2022 when the Galaxy Z Fold 4 was released, Samsung owned a massive 98% share of the foldable market in Europe because no other phone really came close in performance or quality. But things started to change in 2023 when Google launched the Pixel Fold and Honor entered the market with the Magic V2, cutting Samsung's share down to 73%. By 2024, with more brands launching their own foldables, Samsung's market share fell even further to 50%. Now, at first glance, that sounds like Samsung is losing ground, but here's the twist: despite a huge drop in market share, Samsung actually sold 10% more Galaxy Z Fold phones in 2024 compared to 2023. How is that possible? The answer is that the overall market for book-style foldable phones is growing rapidly. So even though Samsung controls a smaller percentage, the actual number of devices it sells keeps going up. What makes this more impressive is that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 did not bring many big changes over the Galaxy Z Fold 5, yet sales still grew. So imagine what Samsung could achieve with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which already has reports calling it the most popular foldable phone to date thanks to meaningful upgrades in design, software, and user experience. But there's another twist on the horizon: Apple. According to the same research, Apple is expected to launch its first foldable iPhone in 2026, and that could completely reshape the market. Apple has a massive base of loyal users who spend big on premium devices, and once a foldable iPhone arrives, analysts believe adoption will be rapid. Counterpoint Research estimates that global sales of book-style foldables could rise from about 1.5 million units in 2025 to nearly 4 million units by the end of 2028. That is more than double the growth in just 3 years. The big question is, will that expansion benefit Samsung? Or will Apple eat into its dominance the way it has done in other categories? Right now, Samsung has the advantage of experience, years of building and improving foldable hardware, and a lead in software features that make use of the folding display. At the same time, competition from Google, Honor, and soon Apple will keep pushing Samsung to innovate faster. For consumers, that means better foldable phones at better prices. But for Samsung, it means defending its turf in a market it practically created. What do you think? Will Samsung hold onto its crown in the foldable market, or will Apple's arrival flip the tables? Share your thoughts below, and if you found this breakdown useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. For more updates on the latest in tech, thanks for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.